Are you looking for ways to make money online worldwide for free? Then this video is for you. My name's Michael from paidfromservice.com, and I am often asked about get paid to sites and service sites and other free ways that are truly available worldwide. And I have a lot of single videos here that gives reviews and tutorials about different platforms that you can join from more or less all countries. But I also then wanted to make a video with a list of some of the absolute best of these options. And the 5 I'll show you in this video here definitely are some of the best opportunities for that. And as I mentioned, you can join them and earn from all countries. And if you want to make money online completely for free, then get paid to sites and service sites is one of the best way to do it, because it is one of the easiest ways to get started and you can start earning right away. You of course just need to do it with the right expectations and know that it will not make you a full-time income and it will not make you rich. But if you do it with those expectations, it is a great way to get started to make money online for free. And I talked to a good friend of mine about this also, and it turns out that he actually just recently made a video about the top 5 worldwide survey and get paid to sites. And it is actually a great video, and he allowed me to share that specific video with you as a subscriber of my YouTube channel. So I will now share that video with you. His name is Rope, and he has many years of experience with making money online. So if you want to check out his channel, then I will leave a link to that below this video here, also in the description, so you can go over there and watch some more of his videos and also follow him and subscribe if you want to show him some support. But for now, let's then pass over the word to him, and then I will be back after that video.
Now I'll show you 5 best survey sites that pay real money for me and for my YouTube subscribers. You always ask me to show you easy websites that pay money worldwide, so now I will answer your request and create this video for you. Let's start with number 1, and that is Survey Time. That is paying $1 per survey for my YouTube subscribers all around the world, in Asia, in India, in Africa, in Europe, in America, all around the world, in all the different continents. Only exception is Antarctica or planet Mars. Just kidding. It pays money all around the world. They have 2 different kinds of surveys. Surveys that pay you $1 and those surveys that pay you 50 cents once you have completed them. So once you have finished one of those $1 surveys, they will send you money instantly. And you can read the comments on my previous videos of survey times. Some of my subscribers, for example from Indonesia, they were surprised that it really paid, because they had seen those survey sites that don't pay. But Survey Times, it really sends you money instantly once you have completed one of those surveys that pay you money. So they provide you an immediate cash out. And the second one, it will also pay you fast, and that is called Idle Empire. Once I tested this website, it paid me money during the same day when I started using it. So it pays really fast, and the cash out limit is very low. So once you have earned a little bit of money, you can immediately cash out, and I got the money like in 30 minutes after I have clicked cash out money. So this is again super fast, and there are many different ways how you can cash out. You can cash out through Bitcoin, you can cash out through PayPal or different gift cards. It will pay you in cash, so you can be guaranteed that you will get money in a way that you want. And I would say Idle Empire has the widest options of cash out methods and payment methods, so you can be like 100% sure that you can cash out money in a way that you want yourself. And I will leave you a link in the description where you can get even 500 points bonus, and for my video where I walk you through click by click how you will be using this. By the way, I have created click by click tutorials for all of these websites that I mentioned in this video, so I will leave the resources in the description, and you can learn click by click how to make money worldwide in any of these websites for 100% free. If you enjoy that I show you these different ways to make money, remember to show some love, smash up the likes, because I spend time recording, planning, editing and doing all of these videos for you for free. So remember to show some love and let me know in the comments where you are coming from. So write in the comments, I'm from India, I'm from Pakistan, I'm from Europe. Tell me in the comments, I would love to hear from you. Number 3 is Swagbucks, and I guess that this is the biggest one because it has paid hundreds of millions of dollars for their users. Actually, the last time that I checked, it had paid already more than $430 million to their members, and it has been paying money for more than 10 years. This website was founded more than 10 years ago, so it's a super reliable one, as also the other ones in this list. Most of the websites that I show you in this list, they have been paying money for the members for years. Survey Time is probably the newest one, and then Swagbucks is probably the oldest ones. There are also different like offers than just surveys on this website. You can make money, for example, by playing games, downloading apps, using different kind of cashback offers, and many different offers. So check that out in the description. It's super reliable one. And the number 4 is also reliable. That is Timebucks. And this is interesting because they also pay money by clicking ads. So we'll see an advertisement, you will click it, you will watch it like 10 seconds, you will earn money for that. Of course, that doesn't pay a lot. Like I showed you in my previous videos, clicking ads pays maybe 0.1 cents per ad. So you will need to click a lot of ads to make some money. But I have seen with my own eyes that is paying money to my YouTube subscribers even from Nigeria, Bangladesh, Pakistan, Finland, anywhere in the world. You can make some easy money with these websites. They also pay money by watching videos, but again, these websites don't pay a lot, maybe 10 cents per day or 5 cents per day by watching videos. Then once you have earned $10, you will cash out. So the cash out limit on Timebucks, it's a little bit higher than on these other options like Idle Empire or Survey Time, where you can cash out immediately. On Swagbucks, you can cash out once you have earned $5, so it's a little bit lower cash out limit, so you can cash out money faster. Number 5 is Paid Viewpoint, and that is very unique in a way that once you get a survey, you are guaranteed to get paid for that. Because as you have learned in my previous videos, for example, that I spent 200 hours by doing surveys online, sometimes surveys, they say that, okay, sorry, you were not disqualified, try another time, and then you need to try another one, and maybe you are disqualified again. On Paid Viewpoint, every single time when you get the survey, you are guaranteed to get some money for that. Also, actually on Swagbucks, when they have those special surveys, you will get paid even if you are disqualified. So they will pay you anyways. If you are qualified, you will earn more money. If you are disqualified, you will earn a little bit less money. Based on my own experiences, Paid Viewpoint, they provide you surveys every single day, and my subscribers worldwide have been cashing out $15 from these websites all around the world. So I know it's proven to work. And also my friend such as Brock and Eddie, as I showed you in my Paid Viewpoint video, they have been cashing out from this website. And Eddie, for example, he made more than $2,200 from Paid Viewpoint because he was referring people into this platform. So his followers, they earned a lot of money from these websites, and then also Eddie earned as a bonus for referring all those people, and he made more than $2,200. But of course, you know that if you are just filling out the surveys, you shouldn't expect to make so much money as, for example, if you refer many people on these platforms and then they start earning money. Thank you very much for watching, and you and me, we will see you in the comment section and in the next video on Learn to Make Honest Money Online. Have a wonderful day, my friend.
So I hope you got some great inspiration from that videos and some ideas about sites you can use to make some extra money online, no matter the country you live in. As I mentioned earlier, if you think that was a great video and you want to check out Roper's channel also, then I will leave a link to that below this video here. And I will also leave a link to a list with more than 20 international survey and get paid to sites that you can join from all countries below this here, so you can go there and check out an even longer list if you want to join more sites. And there will also be joining links for the platforms that was mentioned in that video, so you can easily see how to join them. So make sure to check that out, and also make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time there's a video with tips and tricks about how to get the most out of get paid to sites, paid service sites, and other free ways to earn some extra cash on the site online.